Are you tired of your TV's built-in speakers leaving you wanting more? Do you crave that cinematic rumble, those crystal clear dialogues, and an audio experience that truly pulls you into your favorite shows and movies? Well, get ready, because today we're diving deep into the LG S40T 2.1ch Channel Soundbar with wireless subwoofer, the 2024 new model that promises to redefine your home audio, and let me tell you, it delivers. If you're looking for an LG soundbar review that cuts through the noise and shows you real-world value, you've come to the right place. First up, let's talk about the heart of any sound system, the sound itself. The LG S40T offers a truly new dimensional sound experience. Imagine coming home after a long day and instantly being enveloped in audio that makes every heart-thumping, thrill-inducing moment from your favorite content come alive. With its 2 channels and a powerful, booming wireless subwoofer, this soundbar delivers a big audio punch without demanding a big budget or taking up precious space. But it's not just about volume, it's about quality. The S40T boasts Dolby Digital and DTS digital compatibility, meaning you're getting enhanced, detailed sound for all your shows, movies, and even your music. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation of your living room into a personal cinema, ensuring an unparalleled immersive journey with Dolby audio that lets you never miss a single detail, no matter where you're watching. Now, let's talk about a feature that significantly improves the user experience, especially if you own an LG TV, the WOW interface. We've all been there, a coffee table littered with remotes. The LG S40T puts convenience directly in your hand by allowing you to control both your soundbar and your LG TV with a single remote. That's right, one remote. You can adjust the volume, tweak audio settings, check the connection status, and even select a sound mode right on your TV screen, all from your familiar TV remote. This seamless TV synergy is a game changer, eliminating clutter and frustration, and making your entertainment setup feel more integrated and intuitive. It truly lives up to its name, giving you a wow moment every time you effortlessly switch modes or fine-tune your audio without hunting for another clicker. But what about those moments when the action gets intense, and you suddenly realize you can't hear what the characters are saying? That's where Clear Voice Plus comes in, and it's a feature I genuinely appreciate. This intelligent technology improves voice clarity through a sophisticated analysis of the audio output, delivering more realistic and distinct sound through the center speakers. No more rewinding scenes just to catch a crucial line of dialogue. Whether it's a whisper in a suspense thriller or a rapid-fire exchange in a comedy, Clear Voice Plus ensures that every conversation, every monologue, every single word is delivered with crisp, uncompromised clarity. It enhances your viewing experience by removing that common frustration of muffled dialogue, letting you stay fully engaged in the story. Beyond the incredible sound and smart integration, the LG S40T also features a sleek crest design with a durable metal grille. This isn't just about aesthetics, while it certainly gives the soundbar a stylish, premium look that will complement any modern living space. The metal grille also serves a practical purpose, helping to keep dust and debris out for worry-free audio enjoyment. Plus, with AI Sound Pro, this soundbar intelligently adapts to your content, optimizing audio settings in real time for the best possible experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your home entertainment from good to absolutely breathtaking, the LG S40T 2.1ch Channel Soundbar with wireless subwoofer is a phenomenal choice for 2024. It delivers powerful, immersive sound, unparalleled convenience with the WOW interface, and crystal clear dialogue thanks to Clear Voice Plus, all wrapped in a stylish, durable design. This is more than just a soundbar, it's an investment in a superior home theater experience. Don't settle for mediocre audio any longer. Check out the LG S40T today and hear what you've been missing. You can find the best deals and more detailed specifications by clicking the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and guides.